Oh, that is a good. That is a good movie, Jay, I just say. But I do not like it at the end because I don't know why, but folk is very bad in the movie. The finale is let me think. The finale kiss with Carly. I don't know what's called, but he kissed. Oh fuck! Why in the fuck he kissed? Oh, you cannot see my eyebrows. Oh damn it! Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry. Okay. No, I let it. He kissed the girl, but why? Why the fuck he kissed her? It's any idea how much that girl I love him because I have Selena, but he never tell me. And oh damn, to put this here. My phone. There we go. Damn it, I popped. Okay, he just killed me, and I don't know who in the heck was kidding me. And I don't know who in the heck do that. Was me or you guys gangsters? It was me. What the fuck is happening? Joe was kissing like me. Yeah, that was wrong me. My name is Cody. No. There's a weird name, Cody. How about you call me Mario? No. How about? Oh. Sir, what's your name? My name is Tony. No. That's in Spanish. I want to call you Jacob. Your name is Jake, but I cannot call you Jacob. Oh, Jake. Okay, I can call you Jake. Thank you. My name is Jake. Oh, fuck, yeah, fuck a guy. Fuck myself, yeah, okay. They've been doing it for 1 hour and 45 seconds. Yeah, and 2 hours and 45 minutes. Sorry for that. You're a little weird. Jacob, why you gay? Something like that. Yeah, I'm gay. I like cats. Oh my dear God! Oh damn it. Oh sorry. Oh fuck. Okay. Why do you come here? Why do you lie to me that you not Cody Mommy? Oh, Jake Myro. Because I am not like anybody. Oh, okay, you're not like anybody. Can I come to your home? Yes, come. Okay. Can't come to your home? Yeah, come. Damn, your mom and your dad talk Spanish. Yeah, I really do not talk Spanish. Why? Because, yeah. Okay, I'm talk Spanish, but I do not really talk Spanish because I'm not Mexican, damn it. Oh. Shit. Fuck. How do you do that? If you talk like, hey, I'm a cutie. You not like my.
¿Por qué te paras aquí, joven? Te llama atrás, ¿a dónde estabas, güey?
Damn it, how you talk like that? Oh, sorry, let's go back.
Guárdalos, ¿ok?
Oh, we fell. Why? There's the Adidas. There was Adidas. What? You make me go to the portal shit? No. If you have one break, I can tell you all my big stories and share my stories because I never have a stupid story. Are you telling me that is real? Damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, that's Spider-Man there. Wait. Oh. This fucking portal down. Damn it. Why, Cody? Why? Jacob, why? You have to go to the back of the line. If you have that. No shit. Oh, fuck. What it? Ow. Damn it, I told you to not break it there. Hold one second, guys. Hold on. And the doctor looked like the turn off the bank. Oh. See here. Ah. Jacob, what? How do you discount? If I die, you're gay. You're still gay. I don't want your face here, folk. I'm gay, yeah. I'm gay, but what is the fuck you care about? I'm fucking gay, okay? Why you fucking care? Because, yeah, you're gay. No, like my other friend. I can never make him. 3 hours later, because he is gonna have the doctor, he go to Cody house and he go to the back room like every single time. Damn it. Okay, we're here again. Spider-Man, I'm never gonna go in there. You make me steal my pants and steal my pants. Okay, you have to come out. Okay, that's pretty impressive. Oh, damn. You zoom in into the camera. You see right there? Put the paint off. Go there. Ah! Damn it. Oh, can I see it? Oh, yeah, but. Damn it, what is that? Damn it, what is that? What is that, damn it? Damn it. What the fuck is that? Oh, fuck, it's a fucking baby bag. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Dude, it's just zoom in into your face. Why are you doing this? I zoom in into my face. Oh, zoom out. Okay. It's perfect. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, go here. We have to come on the middle. Okay. Oh, do you hear that? Cody is coming a tornado. We have to go to the back room. Nah, but is that fucking passing the tornado? Damn it, go! Bobby, what? No, what the fuck? I have to save myself. Kid, no. Damn it, just fucking space for me. Cody, that, Jacob. What? I'm scared. I don't know. Let me some fucking space so I can not go to the tornado. Oh, damn it. Whoa, go there! Cody, Jacob! The tornado city is, damn it! The tornado, 100 bucks, What the fuck? Need to turn off the gun. I don't know how to talk here. Kind of Mario. It's another warning. That's explode my house. Come out. Oh, that hit really hard. That hit very hard. That happened. But why that kid, that camera go crazy? Was throwing old stuff. Because that happens, Jacob. Look at ridiculousness on. Let's see it. Woo! Hey, that is shot. Damn it, I don't like that. But fuck, that hit you hard, very hard. And the camera go crazy. Look at this. Oh fuck, fuck this fucking big mess. But how do I have to clean all this mess?
I need to be a permanent member of this team.
You can hit up. I gotta go. What would happen if one tornado were real? What would happen? If you scream, go with Cody or go with Mari. Tell in the comments below.